Hi, how to create the assurance of learning report in your course. Basically, after you turning editing on and add the configurable report block, go to manage reports if you have the permission, and then add report. You can import it here, but I'm going to show you how to add the report by yourself. Add report, give it a name like outcome 1 maybe. Give it a description, give it SQL report, everything by default. If you want to import it as CSV or as XLS, it's your choice. And then add. Now paste the report code that you copy it from our page, and then go through that piece by piece. Every line of code like that or statement, it has been cancelled by a hash sign. I left it here for testing. So basically, instead of go and finding out what's the story, and you need to check this report if it's working fine for you. Sometimes all what you need is just to delete this hash and this code will work. So I start always with the title of the table. So this is the course categories table. This is the course. And this is the course table, and this is those columns has been created from the course table. Grade item, I didn't use anything in it, but I used the grade items to customize my data and specify what I'm looking for. This is assignment name and then assign user mapping. I didn't use this table, by the way, because it show that not all the outcomes appear if I use this in my diagram. Maybe I'll show you the tables diagram, the tables I used in this report diagram in different video. This is the user in 3.9 model aim column in the user table. MU's model user table, and aim is a column in that table. In 3.9 aim is there, but in 3.11 it's not. So if you using 3.11, probably you need to cancel this. And my case here in this model, I'm using 3.11, but in my production model, I'm using 3.9. So both AIM and MSN, they are not exist in a 3.11 model. In the 3.9, we use those columns to store the postgraduate, undergraduate information, and the MSN to store academic year, and the address to store the program. So because those two is not exist, I'm gonna delete them or I'm gonna cancel them. Let's say this is GO is a grade outcome table, short name, so AoL outcome. Scale, I didn't show anything, but if you want to see what scale you are using, you need to just cancel. You need to take off the hash sign and see the name of the scale. This code here that it's really need to be customized, because I'm using a scale above standard, standard, below standard, and those is the numbers in the data that they represent those values. So basically, if you have different scale, you need to customize this case situation to suit your case. Assign grades, I didn't use anything from assigning grades. Teachers is that a block of code starting from left join ending by teachers to import the teacher's contact email. If you're looking for a different role like coordinator or anything else like external examiner or any role that you created in your model, you just need to customize this block to get you the other staff members. In my case, I just use 4 teachers, and here this is my tables. I think they are clear. And then here where you need to customize this piece, because in my situation is DCU Business School 21-22. So MCC is the model course category. You need to customize it because applying this report over all your production model, all your model, it could be massive data above the limit that you set up for the configurable report. I'm gonna cancel this because in this model I don't have this category. I'm gonna replace it with 1 by 1, and because we cancel the aim column, so I'm gonna cancel this filter. Those filters basically help you to search the report easily. So to set up those reports, to those filters, is not enough to have the code here, but also need to go to filters tab and save them. I'm gonna cancel this also. I use it just to find out the number of courses that they insert the outcome results. So because if you activate this line, you will have the number of rows in your report will be the number of courses that they have outcome results. So I'm going to cancel it. Save change. The code is fine. I can go to view report. The report is there. I don't have student ID, but definitely you have one in your production model. And I don't have the program also, because I didn't insert this base of information, my student profile in this model. I have just one course. I have two AoL outcome or assurance of learning outcome, and I have inserted some results for some students, but some students, they didn't get it. And this is the teacher column. I am the only teacher in this model, and the assign due date. That's how to customize your report. Thank you, and bye.